Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zulfawwaz bin Sobri. Today we will do a video presentation about our group topic, which is sustainable facility management, innovative technologies and strategy for enhancing energy efficiency. So we go the first part, which is what is sustainable facility management. Facility management is all about making sure building and infrastructure are operated, maintained and managed efficiently throughout their entire life cycle. In recent years, there has been a strong focus on sustainability. Organizations are aiming to reduce energy use, lower operational costs, and minimizing environmental impact. So this is where sustainable facility comes in. SFM uses innovative strategy to improve building performance, optimize resources, and support environmental stewardship. Overall, adopting SFM helps organizations run their facility more efficiently, sustainable, and effectively, benefiting both the environment and the business. So we go to the next part, which is objective of this study. The first objective for this study is to identify innovative technologies used in sustainable facility management. For the second one, to evaluate the effectiveness of sustainability strategies adopted by facility managers. The third one is to propose recommendation for improving energy efficient practice in facility management. The last objective for this study is to analyze the key challenges and opportunities and in implementing technologies-driven energy management practice within facility management.
Now turn to the my part. My part is topic overview. For the topic overview is commercial, institutional and residential building continue to be a significant sources of global energy use and associated greenhouse gas emission. While design and construction decisions set the long-term envelope, day-to-day facilities operation determine the majority of actual energy use and are often where the fastest and lower risk saving can be realized. Facilities managers can now access diagnosis and continuously improve for the building operation.
Hi, I am Muhammad HAIKAL dan RAHMAT, and now I will continue with the key element of the topic. Sustainable FM, facilities management integrates technology, management and sustainability practice to create energy efficient and resilient facilities. So the first one is Building Measurement System or BMS. BMS integrates HVAC, lighting, and electrical system under a single platform, allowing for centralized monitoring and control. By optimizing equipment schedules and adjusting temperature set points, BMS can significantly reduce energy consumption. Second, Energy Management System or EMS. EMS are designed to monitor, analyze, and control energy use in buildings. They provide insight into where and how energy is consumed, helping facility management teams identify inefficiencies and implement corrective action. The third one, Internet of Things or IoT. Internet of Things technology connects sensors, meters, and building equipment to collect real-time operational data. It enables predictive maintenance and energy optimization, reducing downtime and improving system reliability. The fourth one is Building Information Modeling for facility management. Building information modeling extends beyond design and construction phase into facility operation. It supports asset management, maintenance scheduling, and performance analysis by integrating spatial and energy data into one digital model. For the next one is renewable energy integration. Sustainable facility management often includes renewable energy systems such as solar panels and geothermal heating which reduce dependence on fossil fuels. This system lower operational costs and carbon emissions. The next one is smart and automated building technologies. Smart sensors, AI-driven system, and automation improve energy performance by adapting building operation to real-time conditions, such as occupancy levels, temperature, and daylight. And the last one is green maintenance practice. Green maintenance practice involve environmentally friendly maintenance, including eco-certified cleaning products, water-efficient fixtures, and waste reduction programs, contributing to the overall sustainability of building operations.
Now the part is the benefit. For the first benefit is direct energy and cost saving. Consistently show that the operation focus intervention, maintaining FD control, tuning, occupancy-based control, and analytics often result in rapid and variable energy reduction, typically between 50% to 30%, depending on the building type and baseline condition. Second is maintenance and asset resilience benefit. Efficient facility often have a better maintenance and more stable environmental conditions such as temperature, air, which can improve occupant productivity and save maintenance costs. Third is occupant comfort, health, and productivity. Productivity and occupant satisfaction rise when processes are optimized and to increase comfort and energy efficiency metrics and occupancy sensitive ventilation. And the fourth is strategic decarbonization and renewable integration. Demand response and predictive optimization make it easier to integrate renewable energy when operation optimized around renewable and flexibility. Industry example is such as significant restoration and intelligent upgrade in commercial portfolios show portfolio can get a level carbon reduction.
My name is ELFAIQAL bin Abdul Rahim, and I will present about analysis and recommendation. Slide first shows the main issues. HVAC systems consume the most energy, and all systems waste a lot through overheating or overcooling. Traditional monthly monitoring delays detection of problems and smart technologies like LOT or BMS are not fully integrated, limiting automation. Many facility managers lack training in sustainable practices, and high costs prevent investment in green technologies. Slide 2 shows recommendation. Improvements. Smart EMS allows real-time monitoring and automatic adjustments. Replacing old HVAC and lights with energy-efficient equipment like LEDs can reduce consumption by around 30%. Renewable energy such as solar or wind decreases depends on the grid, and predictive maintenance detects problems early to reduce downtime. Training ensures staff operate system efficiently. Audits monitor performance, and certifications or government incentive encourage adoption of sustainable technologies.
Hi, so let's dive into section 1, which technical issue. So first, implement of new system, which staff are naturally comfortable with traditional manual or paper-based method. This reluctance to learn new system process can become a major barrier to adaptation. If staff aren't using the system, we can't achieve our goal of data-driven decision making. Next is data overload. We are now collecting vast amount of information from sensor and system, but quantity doesn't equal quality. Facilities managers often find themselves struggling to filter through the excess influx of data. If the data is poorly structured, it leads to analysis paralysis, meaning that a critical signal indicating failure or waste get buried in the noise. Next is budget constraints. Finally, in this section, we must acknowledge budget constraints. The cost of truly modernizing, investing in advanced software, analytic tool and large sensor is substantial. Limited budget often force us to rely on outdated or fragmented systems, severely limiting our ability to access and leverage data needed to prove the return of investment. So, moving on to our section, let's look at the management operational issue. So, now we're going to break down the pressure into strategic and tactical. We've faced on two fronts. First, strategically, we have many sites with unique needs which actively works against our desire for standardization. At the same time, we will maintain intense focus on regulatory compliance and increasingly sustainability and initiative. Tactically, we are burdened with schedule complex improvement around low capacity and dealing with the constant inefficiency created by manual process and general lack of urgency in reporting. On final set of challenges, focus on cost and human-related issues, factors that directly impact service profitability and the effectiveness of our team. This section details the human and financial strain we have rising expenses across labor, utilities, material, and constantly pressure our budget. We face several staffing challenges in recruiting and retaining skilled technicians. This factor, combined with lack of transparency from all systems making operational waste, the final result is productivity loss, where error and inconsistent service level compound over time.
To end our presentation, here is the final takeaway from our review. The research confirmed that the potential for energy saving is massive, which is up to 30%, and it's all thanks to smart technology like IoT and AI. This is the way forward for reducing bill and helping the environment. However, the single biggest challenge is not the technology itself. Our analysis found that the main roadblocks are high cost and critically staff who lack the training to use the new system effective. Therefore, our final conclusion is simple. For sustainable facilities management to truly succeed, we must ensure that the smart technology and the smart people work together perfectly. We must invest in both the gadget and the expertise at the same time. Alright, thank you.